whole cube. This is equal to, yes, Amok K. Amok, what is in place of A? Amok K. Prashant sir, you may unmute this.
Yes, sir.
1000.
Yes, sir.
In place of A, in place of B, 2
Two.
is there. So go for substituting the same. It is
100,000 cube.
1000 whole cube minus 2 whole cube minus 3ab, 3 into a into b, where a is 1000, b is 2, into a minus b, 1000 minus 2, 1000 minus 2, which is equal to Yagna, what is 1000 whole cube?
बरेत कांस्पक में हो रही है.
Lakshmi Shri, what is 1000 whole cube?
Sir, 1 after 9 zeros.
Very good. After 1, you may go for writing, because here 3 zeros are there, whole cube. Write 3 zeros 3 times. It will be 100 crore. See that? According to Indian system of numeration, it will be 100 crore. Next, minus 2 whole cube is 8. Minus, here 3 2s are 6,000 into 1000 minus 2, it is 998. Is equal to, let me write 100 crore as it is. Then minus 8. Next, here 3 zeros are there. Write 3 zeros. Multiplying 998 by 6. Here 6 8s are 48. 4 is the carry. 6 9s are 54. 58. 5 is the carry. 6 9s are
9.
54.
9.
Plus 5.
59.
59. Yes. Now this is equal to, right, 100 crore. Next, this is 59 lakh 88,000. Is there? Then minus 8, it will be 59 lakh 88,000. 8. You may go for subtracting this from 100 crore, either separately or directly here. 0 minus 8.
8. 2. 2.
From 0, 8 cannot be subtracted. Take borrow. That is 1 from the previous number. Here it is not possible. At last here it is. I'll take this. And then this will be 9, 9, 9. Even this is also. Yes. Next. Here is 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 0 is 9. Next. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 9 is 0.
0.
9 minus 5 is
4.
4. And this is
9. 9.
9.
Check whether you got same.
Yes, sir.
It is same.
H star.
Okay. It is 99 crore 40 lakh 11,990. This is the value of 1000 minus 2. Whole cube is nothing but 998 whole cube. Now going to 8th main. This main is also very important in the examination. For this main, directly you write double star mark. Right. Start from here only. Right. 8th one. Factorize each of the following. For 8th main, you must put double star mark. Factorize each of the following. In that question, it is 8AQ plus BQ plus 12A square B plus 6AB square.
Two A plus B whole cube.
Very good, very good. Here by observing the statement only you can come to know that. Okay, here is a cube, here is a cube, here A square B, AB square. Obviously, it should come either A plus B whole cube or A minus B
Whole cube.
as all are positive terms only, it will be A plus B whole cube only. So in that we have to identify A and B. Here, start writing with. Write the given statement as it is. It is 8AQ plus BQ plus 12A square B plus 6AB square. This is equal. How do you write A cube in cube form?
2A cube.
A cube.
2A cube.
Then B
2A
whole cube.
whole cube, not just a 2A cube. 2A cube ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2A cube. Then 2A whole cube. Whole cube. This is. Know the difference. Next.
2A whole
B whole cube.
P whole cube. Obviously, remaining two terms will be in the form. It is 3A square B.
3A square.
3AB square. Very clear. 3A square B plus 3AB square. Here, where A is here 2A and this is B, then 2A B. Check it out whether it is correct or not.
Same, correct, sir.
Once you check that, 2 square is 4, 4 3 is 1. Then A is correct. Next, 2 3 is
Sir, answer 2A minus B cube.
Don't tell, wait. Now, it is of the form A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square is nothing but A plus B whole cube. Then what is in place of A?
2A.
2A.
B.
B.
2A. 2A plus B whole cube.
Right. 2A plus B whole cube. Reason, you were right. It is. Our identity is not a KD, but let's go for writing that. It is good. A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square. You can also write this as 2A plus B into 2A plus B into 2A plus B. That is actual factorization. Now let me go for taking another one. Same kind. Here are mine. Second one, 8A cube minus B cube minus 12A square B plus AB square.
2a minus b.
2a minus b whole cube.
Very good. Enough, enough. Both are same, only the sign is changed. The terms are same only. 8a cube, b cube, 12a square b, then 6ab square. The sign are changed. Same thing. Let us only go for writing. Write the given statement as it is. It is 8a cube minus b cube 12a square b plus 6ab square. We can write 2 is 2a whole cube.
Sir, unwanted disturbance, sir.
Then minus b whole cube minus 3ab 2a into b plus 3ab square.
Sir, 3 2a square.
RG unmuted his mic, sir.
2a b. Now you may check whether statement is correct or not.
Correct.
2 square 4, 4 3s are 12. Minus
Correct,
12.
sir.
Correct, sir.
That value is also correct.
Correct, sir.
Correct, sir.
Now this is of the form a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square can be written as a minus b.
A minus b.
whole
B
cube.
whole
2a minus b whole cube. This can also be written as 2a minus b into 2a minus b into 2a minus b. You also give the reason. Prashant sir. Prashant sir.
Sir,
What sound is coming?
sir, that is none other than Bharat RG.
Bharat.
Bharat RG.
No such students are.
Sir, shall I remove?
Sir, explain the
And
worksheet. Third one, sir.
excuse me. Hello, am I Yogesh? Once minute. Everyone must turn on your video. Everyone must turn on your video. It is a final warning to everyone. Everyone must turn on your video.
Bharat RG is a new student.
Everyone must turn on your video. So if you
Okay,
are
Mr.
removed from
Patela.
the meeting, it is your responsibility. This is a final warning. Sir, you start, sir.
Okay. Right. It is, write the reason. It is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square is equal to a minus b whole cube. Now we are moving to the third statement. It's also very simple. Harsh Jain, have you copied? Okay, right. Then Madan HV. Okay. Kushal. Kushal, have you copied this? Okay. Now you will. Third subquestion. It is 27 minus 125 a cube. 125 a cube minus 135 a plus 225 a square.
3 minus 5.
3 minus 5
minus
a
five
whole cube.
Five
Minus
whole,
5 whole cube.
a whole cube.
It's correct only, correct. Arushi? Arushi?
Sir? Yes, sir.
What is its factorization?
Sir, beside 27, no variable.
Arushi, can you hear
Yes,
me?
sir. Yes, sir, I can hear.
Then tell that.
Mm,
We should write in a standard form.
Gaurav is, what is the factorization of this? Just by observing the statement only you can tell. 4 terms are there. First one, it is a cube. It is also cube. It is. Okay.
so 3 minus 25a whole cube. 3 minus 5. 5, 5, 5.
Oh, correct, correct.
3 minus 5a whole cube.
Very good. 3 minus 5a whole cube.
Whole cube.
It's a simple one. Let me write the given statement as it is. 27 25a cube minus 135a plus 225 a square. And this can be written as, here 27 is a perfect cube. Cube of which number?
3.
3.
3.
27 can be written as 3 whole cube. 9 3s are 27. Minus
5.
25.
5 whole cube.
5.
5a whole cube.
5a whole cube. Next, minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Let us substitute. Here 3, here 5a, here 3, it is 5. Let us check it out. 3 square is 9, 9 5s are 45, 45 3s are 135 into 8. It is correct. Next, here 5 square 25, 25 3s are 75, 75 3s are 225 into 8 is correct only, no problem at all. Now is of the form a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square can be written as a minus b whole cube, where a
3
is
minus 5a whole cube.
minus b is
5.
5 whole cube. This can also be rewritten as 3 minus 5a into 3 minus 5a into 3 minus 5a. Right. The reason it is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square is equal to.
Sir, we can only write 3 minus 5a whole cube, sir.
Yes.
Sir, we can only write 3 minus 5a whole cube only.
You can write only this much
Yes, sir.
as it is to be expressed as factorization. So even we will write like this also. Just recall the definition. Definition of factorization: the method of expressing the given polynomial as the product of its factors. So these are the factors. That's why I have written like this. Now, next one, please put double star mark in this. Means among these sub questions, fourth one is more important.
Why?
Huh? Why is that? You'll come to know why it is just by going through the statement. Right. 64 a cube minus 27 b cube minus 144 a square b plus 108 AB square.
4A minus
minus
3B whole
3B
cube.
3B.
4 minus
4A minus 3B whole
A
cube.
minus 3B whole
4A minus
Very good. Very good. I appreciate it. I thought that you find it difficult.
in the worksheet yesterday, sir.
yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, the
It
second
was
Sir.
one was this.
Same questions.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Why double stars? It's easy.
Disha.
easy sir.
Disha. Hardy. What is its factorization?
Yes, sir.
4A minus 3B whole cube.
4A minus 3B whole cube. How did you decide all of a sudden?
Sir 64.
Sir,
64
64
cube is 4, sir.
Cube is 4 sir.
And 27
cube
cube
is
is 3.
And minus sign, so
64 cube is 4, sir. Don't say so. 4 cube is 64. Our cube root of 64 is 4. And cube root of 27 is 3.
3.
Right. Sinchana, sit at one place. You are roaming all around. Right. Let me write the given statement as this is 64 A cube minus 27 B cube minus 144 A square B plus 108 AB square. 64 is a cube of 4. We can 4 cube. Here A cube is there, hence I write 4A whole cube. Whereas 27 B cube can be written as
3B whole cube.
3B whole cube minus 3A square B plus 3B square. Let us substitute, then we shall go for checking. It is 4A 3B. Here 4A 3B. Check that whether it is correct. 4 square is
Sir, correct.
yes, sir.
Sir, correct sir.
Correct, sir.
44.
48 is 3 3s are 9, 69 is 140. Correct only it is. Here 3 square is
9.
9.
9 is
27.
4s are
108.
27 2s are 54, 54 2s are 108. It is also correct. Now this is equal to is of the form A cube minus B cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square can be written as
4A
A minus B.
3B whole cube.
4A minus 3B whole cube.
Amrita, have you got? Amrita NS.
Yes, sir.
4A minus 3B whole cube.
Shubhan, Shubhan P. Nalpet, Shubhan P. Nalpet. ಏನಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಟರ್ನ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ನಿನ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾರಿ ಆಡಿಯೋ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಟರ್ನ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅಮೃತ ಎನ್ ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಮ್ಮ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಮೃತ ಎನ್ ಎಸ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಟರ್ನ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಿ ಆಡಿಯೋನ ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದಾಗಿ ಆ ಹಲವು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ unnecessarily don't turn on your audio. Sir, continue, sir.
Okay. So please turn on the audio whenever you are going to give the response. In other time, you just stop it. Now, let me move on to fifth one. Fifth one is much important in the examination point of view. and this was also given in the examination for 2 marks. So I make you to put 3 star mark for 5th sub question. Shall I give 5th one?
Yes, sir, you may.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
right. 5th sub question. As I said, is much important. Please put 3 star mark. Right. 27 p cube minus 1 by 260.
3p
Minus-
minus 1 by 6 whole cube.
3p minus 1 by 6 whole cube.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. 9 by 2 p square plus 1 by 4 p.
P.
Those who said you are right only. Just by observing terms you are deciding. It's okay. Right way. Given statement is 27 p cube minus 1 by 260 minus 9 by 2 into p square plus 1 by 4 p. What is the cubical form of 27 p?
3p whole
3p
cube.
whole cube.
3p whole cube.
3p whole cube.
3p whole cube. Gagandeep? Gagandeep,
Sir,
what is cubical form of 1 by 260?
1 by 6.
by 260.
1 by 6.
1 by 6.
1 by 6 cube.
1 by 6 whole cube.
6 cube, 6 6 are 36, 36 6 are 216. I told you to learn the squares of the numbers from 1 to 25 and cubes of the numbers from 1 to 10. These are must. Gagandeep, you must be perfect.
Okay.
Okay, right. 3 a square b plus 3 ab square. Now, right. 3p in place of a, 1 by 6 in place of b. 3p, then 1 by 6. Check it out. Whether a and b are correct or not.
Sir, it's correct, sir.
3 ones are 3 twos are. Here 3 square is 9. 9 by 2 p square. Correct one. This time. Here 6 square 36. Here 3 3s are 9. 9 ones are 9. 4 into p. Now it is of the form a cube minus b cube minus 3a square plus 3ab square. Hence it can be written as
3p
a
minus
minus b whole cube. 3p minus 1 by 6.
1 by 6
whole cube.
whole cube.
It is 3p
3p
minus
minus
3p minus 1 by 6 into 3p minus 1 by 6. This is yeah. 1 by 6 square, 1 by 36. Here 3 3s are 9, 9p. 9 ones are 9 4s. So p by 4. And here I write the reason. The identity that we have used is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b is equal to a minus b. Chetan Esa, Aniket, have you copied? Sinchana, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please don't go for changing your place. Sit there only. Shreya K.R. Copied.
Sir, that is A minus B whole cube, sir.
Ah, yes, A minus B. Now we are moving to next main, ninth main. This is also very important in the examination point of view. Please put double star mark. Right. Ninth main. Right. Ninth main. Put double star mark. Right. It is. Verify. Verify in that first sub question. It is x cube plus y cube is equal to, you know that it is in the form of an identity.
A cube
A
plus
cube
B
plus B cube.
A cube plus B cube.
Wait, Sanjana, could you tell that? What is a cube plus b cube?
X cube plus Y cube plus
Ah,
3x square Y plus 3xy square.
are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Just
A
because
cube.
the ident- Wait.
Shall
X plus
I?
Y.
X cube plus
B
Sir, A
cube.
plus B into A square plus B square plus
X plus Y into X square plus Y square minus
A
X.
cube plus B cube
minus
plus
3xy
plus 3AB square.
into A.
Enough.
X.
Enough. Nobody should go for responding. Mohita Viji, you tell. What is a cube plus b cube? It is
A plus B whole.
a square plus b square minus ab. I've told you to learn the identities. I've given you 11 most important identities. You must practice them every day. If so, let's what can be written on the right hand side here?
X plus Y into X plus Y.
No.
X square plus
Square
Y
minus
square
Y plus.
minus XY.
I have given chance to a particular student. They'll tell. Yes.
X square plus Y square plus XY.
Are you sure?
Minus XY.
Minus X.
Minus X.
XY.
X.
Minus
XY.
y. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
So,
Now, we are going to verify this. Is important statement. Look here. We have to show that this LHS part and RHS part are equal. We are verifying this one. So, what should I write? Here, should I write solution, answer, verification?
Verification.
Verification.
Verification. For this, now you tell, should we take LHS part or RHS part? Which can we
RHS
simplify?
part.
RHS part.
RHS.
The reason is here LHS cannot be simplified. That is why I am going to take RHS part. Right. RHS is equal to x plus y into x square plus y square minus xy. Now please observe the board. Look here. Now you are going to multiply x with first term, second term, as well as third term. After that, y with first, second, and third term. Yes, start writing with it. It is x into x square.
X cube.
X cube.
Don't tell in between. I'll ask question to particular students. Take that. X into y square. It is x y square. X into minus xy. This is minus x square. Ganesh. Ganesh. Can you hear me? Ganesh? Okay. Then what is y into x square? It is y x square or x square y. Y into y square. Ganesh?
Y cube.
Y cube. Y into minus xy. Minus xy square. Now you may observe that.
Centralization.
Plus xy square minus xy square. It cancels. Minus x square y plus x square y. It cancels. Remaining will be
X cube.
X cube plus B
plus
y cube.
y. See that this is RHS. Yeah, sorry, LHS part. So RHS and LHS both are equal. You can write. Hence it is verified.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
I have a doubt, sir. If the statement is not verified, what we have to write, sir?
Statement is not. Means if LHS part is not equal to RHS.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Then you can say that x cube plus y cube is not equal to x plus y into x square plus y square minus x. That should be written.
Sir, in last sentence, since it is not verified, we have to write, sir.
No. We have verified. Hence, you have to write again, hence it is verified only. If LHS equal to RHS or is not equal to RHS, for conclusion, we will write, we have verified.
Okay,
Sir.
sir.
Alright, Jagnod.
Sir, let's just
Shall we move on to next one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anu, copied? Yes. Right. Second one is also important. Right. It is x cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y into x square plus y square plus xy. This is also well-known statement for us.
Sir, a minus b whole cube.
A minus B whole cube, sir.
A cube minus B cube.
A cube minus B
Yes,
cube,
B.
sir.
A cube minus b cube. Okay. Start verifying. Verification. Prithvi.
Yes, sir.
Should we take LHS part or RHS part? For simplification. Prithvi, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Voice is, sir, network is not.
Network, where it is? Huh? Okay. Vibha? Vibha, can you hear me? Vibha, can you hear me? Rutusri,
Yes, sir.
which one should be taken? LHS or RHS part?
RHS part, sir.
Why? Tell the reason.
Because LHS part cannot be simplified.
Yes, because RHS can be simplified. Very good. Right way. RHS part is x minus y into x square plus y square plus xy. Now multiply x with all the three terms. Yes, x into x square, x cube, x into y square is x y square, x into xy is x square y. Then multiply minus y with minus y into x square minus x square y minus y into y square minus y cube minus y into xy.
Y cube.
X y square. And you may observe that here plus x square x y square minus x y square get cancelled. Similarly, x square y minus x square y get cancelled. Remaining will be x cube minus y cube, which is LHS. So RHS and LHS both are
RHS, sir.
hence it is very. With respect to these identities only, we have two important problems, and these have been given in question number 10. This main is important. Shreya,
Yes, sir.
are you sure in the classroom?
Written, sir.
Written, of course,
Sir?
I know that.
Yes.
You have written, I know that. I'm asking you, are you in the classroom?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then should not look here and there. I think
Okay,
there
sir.
may be your brother.
Yes, sir.
That idiot will always be disturbing you. Please tell your parents, not you just avoid him.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Right. 10th one. Tenth one, put double star mark. In that, right question. Factorize each of the following. Each of the following. That first. (27) y cube plus 125 z cube
3y whole
3y
cube.
plus
3y
5z.
plus 5z whole cube.
3y
3y
plus
plus
5z whole cube.
y z.
Enough.
3y plus 5z
A
whole
cube
cube.
plus B cube forms.
Enough. Sanjana G.
Yes, sir.
What is the cubical form of 27y cube?
3 cubes, sir.
3y whole cube.
3y whole cube.
Very good. 3y whole cube.
Oh.
Sanjana, you only tell. Cubical form of second.
5z whole.
It is 5y
Z.
whole cube. If so,
Z, sir.
wait.
Z.
5z whole cube. Again, Sanjana will respond. If so, could you tell which identity
Sir, x cube plus y cube.
Okay, expand that.
X plus y into x square plus y square plus xy
Minus
Minus 6.
minus xy.
It is. Also, you can also write like it. This is in the form of an identity. A cube plus B cube is equal to A plus B into A square plus B square minus A. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Unmute the audio first. Sanchana. Right. Dhanush, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you will start writing with me. Here. First, actually, they are not asked you to use the identity, only for our reference. Only for our reference, we are going to write it. Write with me. Identity to be used is A cube plus B cube. This can be written as A plus B into A square plus B square minus A. Then you may write that. You may write the given statement. It is 27 y cube is there. I'll write it as 3y whole cube.
3y whole cube.
125 z cube is there. This can be written as
5z whole cube.
5z whole cube.
Dhanush. Dhanush.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Dhanush, you tell. What should be substituted in place of A?
3y whole cube.
I am asking
3y.
you, what should be substituted in place of only A?
3y.
A place of ಏನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು?
3y.
3y plus
Wait. Enter
3.
into it.
Yes, sir.
What should be written in place of A?
3y.
3y. In place of B?
5z.
5z. Very good. Now, go on right. It is 3y plus 5z into, it is square terms here. So that I am using square bracket. A square. It is 3y whole square plus B square. It is 5z whole square minus AB. This is 3y into 5z. This is equal to 3y plus 5z as B. Amrita. Amrita. Yes. Simplify this.
3y whole cube.
3y whole cube.
9y square.
Oh, sorry.
Here.
Sir, 9y square minus 15y plus 252 whole square.
Don't tell me. 3 square is right. Y whole square is y square. Amrita, what is 5z whole square?
25.
25z whole square.
25 z square. Amrita, next. Till the next one.
15yz.
15yz. Can it be simplified yet?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
So you can write it is 27y cube 125z cube is equal to this thing. 3y plus 5z into 9y square plus 25z square minus 50y.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, why can't we use another formula of a cube plus b cube, sir?
Can we? We want factorization, no? We want factorization.
Yes, sir.
ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. You are telling that a cube plus b cube is nothing but a plus b whole cube, alwa? Minus
Yes, sir. This formula.
into a plus b. You are telling this one, Jagnor.
Yes, sir.
ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಏನಾದರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ will it be like a factorization?
No, sir.
No, ಇದೊಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. But here it is not like that. Look here, it is the product of factor. This is one factor and it is one factor. So that is why it should be used. No, it cannot be. Yeah. This one, this one. How? We cannot. Here, a square is there, b square is there, but this is not 2ab. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಬರಲ್ಲ. Today one student is there in my classroom also.
Her name.
Name, sir.
A name, afterwards it will be displayed. Okay.
Sir, tell, sir.
Nankit.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, further we can simplify, no, sir?
Verena, you are asking, no?
No, sir.
Amog.
No. Who is asking?
Amog, sir. Amog.
Amog.
Amog BM.
Why is it like
Sir,
how do you say it, further it can be simplified?
3y into y, 9y square, sir.
We will get the question if we simplify.
Wait. That only I clarified you. It is a perfect square. It is a perfect square. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ 2ab form ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ definitely we would have used, but it is only ab. That is why it cannot be simplified further. Got it? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm moving to take another one. Let me run this. (64m³ minus 343. Nobody should tell this. I'll give chance to some students. Ekta, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. 64m³ is there. What is its cubical form?
4 cubes, sir.
Huh?
4 cube.
Very good. It is 4m whole cube. Ekta, you only tell. 343m³ is there. What is it?
Seven.
7n whole cube.
7, sir.
7n whole cube.
Please learn the cube of the numbers from 1 to 10. They are the minimum numbers you must remember. You 7th alle practice ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ. But as 9th standard, if you are not perfect, means it's very unfortunate.
Okay, sir.
Practice them today itself. 343, it is cube of 7. Then here n cube is there. 7n whole cube. So it is in the form of the identity a cube minus b cube. Samat MV. Expand this.
A cube minus b cube is equal to a cube.
A minus b into plus b square plus ab. Now you may write 4m in place of a, 7n in place of b, then it will be easier. This is equal to 4m minus 7n into, put square bracket, 4m whole square plus 7n whole square plus 4m into 7n. Let me write 4m minus 7n as it is.
Plus 16 m.
Wait.
16 m
16
square.
m square
plus 49 n square
Another plus?
Plus 28 mn.
plus
28 mn.
Correct.
Plus 49.
Right? 29 ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ
28 sir.
Huh? Prithvi,
14
Sir, I not
n
not sir.
square.
you are not.
28 I not
Right. 4m whole square. It is 16m square. 7n whole square. 49m square. Plus 4 7s are 28 mm. Can it be simplified further?
No, sir.
No
no
sir.
sir
No sir.
64m cube minus 343 n cube is equal to the statement. Next, 11th one. This is also very nice statement. Eleventh one. You may put star mark for this. Double star mark. 11th one. Double star mark. And write. Factorize. Before going to give you the question, just I'll make you to recall one statement. You will stop writing and observe the board. Dhruti.
AQ plus BQ minus 3ABC.
Wait. Here I'll write AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3A. Do you remember the identity related to this?
Yes, sir.
yes sir
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If so, Akshay, could you continue this?
A square
Oh,
plus B square plus C square.
Sir, I can
Okay.
tell.
Sir,
A
shall I say, sir?
A plus B plus C.
wait. Prithvi is ready to tell. Prithvi, can you tell?
Sir, I could tell.
Sir, I could tell, sir.
So can
Sir, could I?
Sir.
Sir, could I?
Sir, could I?
Yes.
X
Right, sir.
plus Y
A
cube
plus B
Z
plus C.
minus 3xyz equals
A plus B
X
plus
plus
C
Y
A
plus
square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus
into
CA.
x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx.
See, I have not at all given X, Y, and Z. I have given A, B, and C. See the
Sir,
A
A
cube
plus
plus
B
B cube
plus
plus
C.
C cube
A
minus
plus
3A.
B plus C
A plus
Plus B plus C
square.
into
C
A
A
square
plus B.
Don't tell in between. Into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. This is the statement what I was expecting. Now, related to this identity, 11th question has been given. I write that. Please copy the same. Write down. It is 27 x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Wait, not 3xyz. 9xyz. 9xyz. Write the given statement as it is. It is 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz.
3x
3x cube.
3x cube plus y.
3x cube plus y
Stop
plus
writing.
2z.
Observe the book. Ritika, stop writing. Look at it. Here it is. 27, we know that it is a perfect cube. And cubical form of 22 is, it is 3x whole cube. Y cube is y whole cube. Z cube is z whole cube minus. This can be 9xyz can be written as 3 into 3x, y and z. You check it whether it is correct or not. 3 3s are 9.
Correct, sir.
Y into z. 9.
Sir.
Correct,
So
sir.
now you can say that it is of the form a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Now, copy the same. Write this identity. Soon after this, copy this identity first. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is exactly equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c. After that, you copy this. ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆದ್ರೆ after writing this much you may put equal sign here also. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಏನು ರೂಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. Here you can write that equal sign here and continue. I have space, I have enough space here so that I may write here. If space is not available in your note, you will write here also.
Sir, what is the last number, sir?
9xyz.
No, sir, here now you put an equal, sir, that last number.
This is
Sir,
all.
not
Z.
sir.
ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಪೃಥ್ವಿ?
Z, sir.
Z.
Z. Now you write a plus b plus it is a is 3x, b is y, c is right.
Sir, there is
Sir,
unwanted.
Right. By mistake, word has entered into our classroom. Let it be. Continue. 3x plus y plus z into right a square plus b square plus c square. 3x whole square plus y whole square plus c square. So plus z whole square minus ab. AB is 3y minus BC. It is y into z minus CA z into 3x. Z into 3x. This is equal to right 3x plus y plus z as it is. Then put bracket and write.
9x square.
Wait.
9x square.
Manoj, what is 3x whole square? 9x square. Y
plus y square
square.
plus
Z
z
whole
square
Z square. Okay. Pragati, you tell.
minus 3.
Don't tell Pragati. Pragati V. Hegde. It is minus 3xy minus y
Minus yz. Minus
minus
3xy. Minus
3xy.
3xy.
3zx.
Close with the bracket.
Sir, we can write 3zx also, sir.
You can. Both are same. Right. It is 27x cube plus y square plus z cube minus 9xyz. This is equal to this is the statement. Factorization. Over up. Now we have one more interesting statement. Shall I hear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Sir, don't interrupt class.
Right. 12th one. Please put 3-star marks. And it's very simple. As well as interesting, as I said, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy z. Verify. A little verification word. Verify x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to. Look here. We know that it is of the form a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Can we write a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc? This statement can also be written in another form. That's why I told you it is interesting one. Here, this can be written as 1/2 into x plus y plus z into. So, right, x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. Iduna now verify ಮಾಡಿ. Copy this.
Sir, but first one is only easy, no, sir?
Easy enough. Iduna check ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದು whether this can also be written like this or not. That's the question. Now, Puneet, which part should be taken? LHS and RHS?
RHS.
Why should we take RHS?
Because we can simplify it in the
RHS.
Very good. Because we can simplify that. RHS ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು simplify ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. That is why. Right. Verification. I take RHS part. Where RHS part is, it is half into x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. Hope that you have written. Now this is equal.
X
You
by
must
2.
stop writing
Z
and
by
look at the board. Sanjana SL, Mohita VG. Here, x plus y plus z by 2. Can it be simplified?
No, sir. By
No.
2.
So
Yes,
let
sir.
us
X plus y
write this
plus by
as
2.
it is. Right. X plus y plus z whole divided by 2. Next. Is it possible to simplify x minus y whole square?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
How?
sir. X square
A minus B
y.
whole square identity.
Very good.
X square minus y square.
It is in the form of a minus b whole square identity.
Yes, sir.
A square plus b square minus 2ab.
Minus
X minus y whole square can be written as x square plus
Minus.
y square minus 2xy. Please write with me. Similarly, y minus z whole square can be written as y square plus z square minus 2yz plus z minus x whole square can be written as z square plus x square minus 2zx written up.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, I'll write x plus y plus z whole divided by 2 as it is. Next, go for observing the like terms. Here is x square, here is x square. What is 1x square, 1x square?
2x square.
X square.
2x square, right. Next, 1y,
2y cube.
2y square. 1z square, 1z square. 2z square.
2z.
Minus 4x
And write remaining as it
yx.
is.
Minus
Either
4x
2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx. Now this is equal to x plus y plus z whole divided by 2. And observe the terms inside the bracket. Can we simplify?
Yes, sir. By taking 2 as common from all factors.
Very good, very good. In all the terms, we have 2. So let us take 2 as common. 2 into remaining x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Now, 2 and 2 get cancelled. Observe. Remaining, it is x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. You can come to know that this is in the form of the identity a plus b plus c into a square
plus b
square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus d. That is equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus
AB.
bc. Likewise, I'm going to write that. This can be written as x cube plus y cube minus 3xyz. Now observe, this is
Is equal to LHS.
LHS. RHS equal to LHS. Hence it is verified. In Becker, you reason very good. Because this is a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. It's equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus. Have you written?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Dear students, one simple question to you. Namit, copied. Still you are copying. Complete that quickly. Or HS copied. Yes, very good, very good. As I said, I'll ask you a very simple question. That question is, in this statement, suppose x plus y plus z equal to 0. Then how do you write the statement if x plus y plus z equal to 0?
0, sir.
Sir, x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz.
Excellent, excellent. Okay, if x plus y plus z equal to 0, then this whole RHS equal to 0.
0.
Then here we have x plus y plus z cube minus 3xyz is there. Transfer this to the right hand side, minus 3xy. It will be plus 3xyz. X cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Can we write so?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Under
Yes,
what
sir.
condition?
If x plus y plus z is equal to 0.
Very good. X plus y plus z equal to 0 ಆದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to xyz.
3xyz.
Clear?
By remainder theorem.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now we are going to prove the same statement. Right? It is 13th one. 13th one. Put 3 star mark. 3 star marks. Verify. Right. Verify that whether x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Put comma. If and only if, or just you may write, if x plus y z equal to 0. And the same question has been asked in the examination in another way. I'm going to give you the statement. Please write. Or in the new if x plus y plus z equal to 0, then prove that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. Itana? And ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರೀತಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then verify that the statement. Got it? These are the different ways the question can be asked. For 2 marks. This will be asked for 2 marks. Very simple one. Now I'm going to focus on this second statement. Now we are going to prove that x plus y plus z plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz if and only if x plus y plus z equal to 0. Hence you write prove. Let us use the given condition. X plus y plus z equal to 0 are there.
We can also write verification.
X plus y plus z equal to 0. You know, here, cubical terms are there. If I want cubical terms, what should I? I mean, square ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ squaring on both sides ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
Minus Z transfer.
Answer to my question. Cube ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ cubing on both sides ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. But we do not know the identity x plus y plus z whole cube. That is why I am going to transfer one term to the right hand side. Yavadaru either x, y or z. Anyone can be. So I write x plus y transfer z to the right hand side. It becomes minus z. The reason is if you apply cube, we can use the identity a plus b whole cube. That is why. Right. Cubing on both the sides. Then I can write it as x plus y whole cube is equal to minus z whole cube. Let me continue that here. We know that the identity related to this a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b whole cube. A plus b. In the same way, here it is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y, which is equal to minus z whole cube is there. I can write it as minus z cube. Let me write x cube plus y cube plus 3xy as it. What is x plus y?
Minus Z.
What is x plus y?
Minus Z.
Minus z.
Minus Z.
Minus z cube. Then x cube plus y cube. What is 3xy into minus z?
Minus 3xyz.
Minus 3xyz.
Y z equal to minus z cube. We want minus z cube on the left hand side. Alva, I can do that. X cube plus y cube plus z cube. Transfer that. X cube plus y cube and transferring it becomes plus z. Then transfer minus 3xyz to the right hand side. It becomes plus 3xyz. Or
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
yes. Now it is time up. I'll just give you before concluding the class. I'll give you an information regarding today's evening online performance test. So you have the syllabus from factorization of the quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial. From there up to this problem. Got it? Yes. And prepare well for the test. And test timing.
Tell that names by.
Why name Allah? Girl. Girl is sitting here. It is in the evening from 7 to 7:40. 40 minutes and 25 marks. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, with this, let us stop the class. Thank you very much. And before that, one more information. Tomorrow you have biology class. While attending before coming to the class, get ready with the biology notebook. 200 page king size note. Okay. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Thank you, sir.